This is the lower wing elevator at Park Atrium. It's probably going to be an elevator refurbishing. Either that or it's going to be a Noble. I think it's going to be an elevator refurbishing. JetPlus. It's probably going to be in... Ooh, nice though. It's a Noble. Sounds like we have a pretty good motor. Anything cool out here? Commander 3s? Okay. Alright, here we go. That wasn't that loud. That might be Commander 1 actually. This is very nice for a Noble. I like the interior. Of course, you got your GAL JetPlus buttons. Yeah. I don't think this is modern anything else. That indicator really gives a lot of national. Alright, and that's it. Look at the way the door frame here is like bent. It's like bent up here. Alright, that's it.